So take 64 trading. Today we have the Fed rate decision coming out later on today. And we got Oracle coming out with news on their earnings report. And after the close, we have Adobe as well coming out with earnings. So big news there. Not much else going on. Futures up slightly down a little bit. Really just trading sideways all week into the Fed decision. So the expected thing is that they will cut rates today. Um, but who knows, right? There's an 89% chance Fed will cut interest rates by 25 basis points at 2 p.m. today. Um, in my opinion, they probably shouldn't. They should probably hold rates specifically because they didn't get CPI data, but they'll probably cut and be more hawkish in the future. So that may change how the outlook of trajectory of stocks. We'll see how investors take on that news today. We've been hitting expectations so far. So let's say we just don't continue to do that. A dollar is up a little bit. So we'll take a look at some equities, but there's something ASPSC is running up a lot after hours. And we'll take a look at why. This is acquisition. That's old news. I don't see any news on this. I don't know why ASPC is up today. Even $10. So no, I don't think this is it either because it was up after hours at $24, which is, I'll show you that on the charts. So just be careful with that one. I don't know why this is up. I don't see any news on this. Let's go to the charts real quick. Take a look here. Well, first, economic calendar again. We are 30-year mortgage rates coming out in 4 minutes, which will be important. And that'll be the mortgage rates. And then we have just some oil, interest rate projections at 2. So basically the rate decision and then the Fed talking this. So really just the mortgage back 30-year mortgage rate and the Fed talking at 2 p.m. today. So there'll be some probably volatility up until that point. And maybe if we're up, way up, we'll probably pull back into that. So just be careful because a lot of the 0.25 basis point is priced in to the market. So let's go take a look here at the charts. And this is the dollar. Dollar still is on the steady rise up on a trend here. So watching out for this trend moving up on the dollar, which is inverse equities. Gold is down a little bit, pulled back down to this area here, 4.196 below 4,200. Trying to push back up a little bit, really just staying really within this range here. I think this may push up higher. This is a higher low. So we do have a higher low, and a low there, higher low there, higher high there, right? So we need to watch out for this. This may push back up. So the ASPSC, don't know why this is up. PSC and SPSC. But this is crazy. I mean, this thing is up 28, it hit 40s, right, from nothing. I don't know why this is up, and it still looks like it's going up. So let's switch up to a lower time frame here. This thing is still moving, right? And it has a nice trend up here that it's holding on to. So this thing may go higher and push back up. So watch out for 40s on this. Wow, it's amazing. Now we're at 31s. Don't know what the news is on this, folks. So let's look at Oracle. Oracle is starting to pop up here. It was selling off earlier. It's in pre-market, started to push back up pre-market. Let's see what's on the earnings reports tomorrow. Adobe, same situation. They get earnings after the close. Expectation is not there yet, so we'll take a look at that later. But we got to push up here during the day. We got pretty much pulled down overnight. Like Oracle, I think Oracle will have theirs after the close too. Yeah, so we'll watch out for Oracle and Adobe after close, but that'll be after the Fed rate decision. Again, ASPSCs will watch. ABBX popped up as my scanners as well. And I'll post the scan stuff right now, actually. And that is all, folks. So I'll post the scan results in our Discord as usual. And hope you guys are traded well. And that is all this morning. Big days, watch out for the rate decision. And that's it, folks. Talk to you guys later.